Welcome back to the deep dive. Today we're going to get into the weeds on a piece of tech that really aims to streamline professional video production.
It definitely does. We're talking about the Datavideo PTC-145T.
Exactly. So if you're looking at a high-end shoot, but you want to get rid of, all the cable clutter and maybe even the need for a dedicated camera operator, this is for you.
That's really the core mission here, simplifying.
We're focusing on how this PTZ, that's pan-tilt zoom camera, uses some pretty smart tech to make high-quality tracking, well, almost effortless.
And that starts with the wiring. That's always the first headache in any big production.
Okay, let's unpack that. I mean, anyone who's run a long cable in a venue knows the pain.
Yeah.
You've got bundles of wire, separate power supplies, video feeds.
Right. And what's critical here is the HDBaseT technology. You still get your standard HDMI and streaming outputs, of course.
But HDBaseT is the game changer.
It really is. It lets you send uncompressed, full HD video, all your control signals, and even power.
Yeah.
All over a single standard CAT cable.
Just one network cable.
One cable over very, very long distances. That immediately simplifies any major setup.
That has to completely change the math on installation time. So, okay, cable clutter is solved. How sharp is the feed we're actually sending?
Very sharp. We're talking a robust 20x optical zoom.
20 times?
Yep, and there's an 8x digital zoom on top of that. So you can mount this thing way in the back of an auditorium, for example.
And still get a perfect close-up on stage.
A crystal clear close-up.
Yeah.
And just as importantly, you have proper audio inputs. There's a line in and a 3.5 millimeter mic input, so your sound quality matches the video.
Okay, this is where it gets really interesting for me. The automation. The big sell is this one-click AI tracking, right? Running a shoot without an operator.
That's the promise.
But we've all seen amateur camera tracking. It can look so jerky and just unprofessional. How does this camera stay so smooth when it's following someone?
That smoothness isn't just about fast motors. It's an algorithm, an integrated system called the PID algorithm, or Smart PTZ Speed Adaptation. This is the real technical difference maker. It actually detects the speed of the object is following.
So it's constantly adapting its own speed based on what the subject is doing.
Precisely. It automatically adjusts the camera's pan, tilt, and zoom velocity to match. Think of it like adaptive cruise control for camera movement.
So it smooths out the acceleration and deceleration.
It does. It avoids those production nightmares like jerky starts or sudden unpredicted stops. It basically eliminates that specific kind of human error.
So if the AI tracking is that good, why even have physical controls? I mean, isn't a dedicated controller like the RMC-1AT a little redundant?
That's a great question. It's not about overriding the AI. It's about directing it more efficiently.
Oh, okay.
The controller is designed for rapid direction. So for you, the user, it's just convenient. You can select predefined framing with one button.
Like what kind of framing?
Full body, half body, or a close-up. You just tell the camera the type of shot you want.
And it just executes it perfectly using that PID algorithm.
Exactly. And you can manage presets too. Up to 4 presets across 4 different cameras, all from that one little controller.
So bringing this all together, the big takeaway here is that the PTC-145T bundles that high-quality video, the 20x zoom, with some really advanced operator-free automation.
Right. The AI tracking and that PID algorithm are doing the heavy lifting. It's a full solution for getting high-end results without a huge technical crew.
Which leaves us with a final thought for you to chew on.
If a camera's AI can handle all the complex technical execution, the smooth pans, the tilts, the zooms, how does the role of the camera operator actually change? Are we just becoming directors for robots, or does that technical skill just apply in a totally new way? We'll leave you with that.